What's up, bag babes? It's your girl Rockstar Rochelle. This is your spring 2022 sneak peek. Thank you so much for all the love and the support. Here at Summit, I talked all about video and how we are creating this amazing community. And one of the reasons why you come and join the fun on this is because I give you the good stuff before anybody else. So if you haven't yet, consider subscribing. If you love all things 31, want an inspirational and empowering group of gals to belong to, and we'll get to the fun. Are so standing the background. I know it, I love it. I'm going to give everything to you that you've been wanting for in this hot new catalog. So buckle in, this is going to be a good video. Now, if you want a catalog for yourself, want some of these exclusives for yourself, want to host a party, shop, all that fun stuff, make sure you connect with me and I will totally hook you up in all your needs. Again, I do this all for you guys and I hope you truly enjoy, because I truly enjoy sharing all the good. So let's get right to the good stuff. So let's quickly go over the colors here. You love, that's that paintbrush one. We got some color blocking. When you're asking about color, they got light blue, orange, yellow, all that. Here is this fan print, which is more of a blue, and it has what, coral orange in there. Totally blends with the dog days. I love how that has a little see-through, and it's the sunshine. Okay, the bottom is navy blue, light blue right there. Oh my gosh, you black and white lovers, I know you're going to love this. Okay, here we go. This is that paintbrush. Here's that color blocking that we talked about in the call utility tote, more of a taupe brown. And check out more of the goodness. Here are our basic steep that we got here. You see that we have the fawn right here. In person, it's, I don't know, it's not caramel, it's not tan. It's a little bit, I feel like it's gold. You got the gold and silver. Your bead waskets right here. I love how that. Then you got the little tiny one. Oh my goodness, how cute are these? Your favorite, also these reversible bins that you got here in both colors right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out these themes. I know you are loving the color. Then we got the weekend. There's that gray that you guys like him with the basket weave. Let's keep going, guys. Let's keep going. There's the basket weave because we're going yoga. All right, let's check out the RV line with the olive. You guys are loving this collection. You want it up close, you got the olive with the orange right here. Then it goes well and plays well with these guys. The gray wispy with the camo. You got the dark black. Oh my gosh, this is all black. All right, this is all for traveling purposes. We currently have this, but that's coming back again in the spring lineup. All right, let's flip over to this way. You got the cute get up and setup. You have the Hostess exclusive right here, along with the zip top. Hostess exclusive right here as well, and the Fresh Market thermal. Let's go ahead and check out this weekender right here with the cute cube and the packing traveler case. Let's check out more of these prints. This is more black, all right, with the light pastel colors. This is more light blue, navy blue. You guys, we got the traveling cases back with the camo. Again, checking out the new prints and colors for you guys, so you have an up close and personal of what that looks like. Now let's go for some adventure time. Let's check this out. Here we go. We got like the gray and the taupe with the orange, two lineups. Then you have the blue with the neon green. I know you guys are loving this, all right? It's coming to you with an insider exclusive. You can only get this when you party up with your 31 consultants. So if you want a party of one, if you want got this in your hand, feel free to reach out to me and let's get to it. This is this 5-piece trunk bundle. First and foremost, you have this cinched up container place where you can use these flaps to go ahead and hang on the back of your car. Headsets on the inside, it's a really heavy blanket, just to show that it holds 1, 2, 3, 4 rolls of blankets in here. On the side you do have the durable straps so that you can grab it easily, but this is like that flexible foldable material with the cinch strap right here, so you can totally close close it up right there. This is one of the 5 pieces that comes in it, so that's one. Then you get to pick. Remember those Your Way bins? Check it out, they're back but bigger. I would get this just for the bin. You know when you're going to the grocery store and things are flopping around in the back? Now you have a Your Way bin in the back along with 3 totes. 3 almost essential totes, essentially, that goes with this party set. So that's a 5 set that you get to pick and choose your prints and your prints that matches your trunk. Now that you guys got to see some prints, some products, you're gonna see some playlists in terms of these reviews up close and personal, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now, if you want a catalog for yourself, go ahead and click the contact me link down below and we can go ahead and get connected that way. Also, if you want to party up, get some of these insider exclusives for yourself, consider getting a shopping link or a party of one, and I could totally hook you up, or we can book a party and all that fun stuff. Now, if you're super loving this fall collection, if you're super loving this spring fall lineup, get in on the perks of 31. You girl, now top in development and all you newbies to go ahead and launch you into whatever your journey looks like, no matter how big or small. So consider subscribing, check out these playlists, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care, bye.